Hi guys, just a quick video to show you behind the scenes here at UK Card Crafts. We use over 20 machines every day to produce the products for your orders. The majority of our products are packed here in the UK by our family run business. We don't have loads of storage space, so most items are made and packed on the same day they're dispatched. Another bulk delivery going out. Just printing some labels for our next job. Large order here that's been hand packed and now getting hand labelled. This will be dispatched in the next hour. When you order on our website ukcardcrafts.co.uk or ukcardcrafts.com, this is likely where your order will be packaged up. We can't show you too much of the process due to the customers' names and addresses being on the labels, but this just gives you an idea of how your orders are packed up. The vast majority of the products we sell are made here in the UK by our small family-run business. Bit of a nightmare, but our label printers just broke down, which we need to be able to dispatch all of our orders. Luckily, we can source another locally. Are you still watching? Thanks. Here's a discount code for our website. The discount code is YouTube20. So that is YouTube20. That discount code is going to give you 20% off your next order. You'll only be able to use it once, so use it wisely. Last delivery coming in today before we close. Some cardboard boxes ready for tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe.